Hello and welcome to Docplexus News. A team of surgeons at the Mafraq Hospital, Abu Dhabi, recently performed a life-saving surgery on a woman with a rare type of tumor known as leiomyosarcoma. The surgery was extremely challenging as the tumor was located on the inner lining of the patient's inferior vena cava. However, in a 4-hour-long surgery, the surgeons incised a small part of the vein containing the tumor and quickly restored the normal blood flow to avoid any chances of bleeding. Following surgery, the patient recovered completely. A team of surgeons at the Emirates Hospital Jumeirah, Dubai, has recently saved the life of a 43-year-old female diagnosed with 90% blockage in her right internal carotid artery. In a minimally invasive surgery, the doctors placed a special stent in her carotid artery to remove the block, thereby saving the patient from imminent risk of stroke in the near future. The patient was discharged in good health in less than 24 hours post-surgery. The US FDA has recently approved a new antibiotic, lefamulin, for the treatment of adults with community-acquired bacterial pneumonia. The approval is based on the positive results of 2 clinical trials that demonstrated similar rates of clinical success in patients treated with lefamulin when compared to those treated with another antibiotic, moxifloxacin, with or without linezolid. This approval will provide physicians with a new alternative for the treatment of patients with community-acquired bacterial pneumonia. The US FDA has recently approved Federate capsules for the treatment of adult patients with myelofibrosis, a rare bone marrow disorder. The approval is based on the positive results from a clinical trial that demonstrated significant therapeutic effect and greater reduction in symptoms in the patients of the intervention group as compared to patients in the placebo group. However, healthcare professionals are advised to check the thiamine levels and monitor any adverse side effects while prescribing this drug to the patients. Under the new Essential Basic Insurance Plan by the DHA, the residents of Dubai can now avail free screening and treatment for hepatitis C virus, as well as the colorectal, cervical and breast cancer. Previously, the insurance limit was 150,000 dirhams for the low salary band workers. However, under the new plan, the policyholders can now enjoy unlimited coverage for these diseases with an additional payment of 37 dirhams as a premium to the insurance provider. The Canadian Accreditation Council has recently granted the Accreditation Diamond status to the Ministry of Health, Bahrain, for providing excellent primary healthcare services across the kingdom. The accreditation came as due recognition of meeting 99.1% of the international health standards by the primary healthcare facilities across the Kingdom of Bahrain. Furthermore, this accreditation will help the country achieve its Sustainable Development Strategy 2030 goals. These were the latest happenings in the medical field brought to you by Docplexus, the global online community of doctors. Stay tuned for more every Friday. Happy Docplexing!